Hi there, I am Melanie Binstock and welcome to Off to the Keys Travel. I am your travel agent and today we are at the beautiful Hyatt Zilara. Let's take a little tour. So this happens to be the Ocean View Luxury Suite and it is phenomenal. So one of the nice things about this room is that they have just upgraded the mattresses, so they are all new, which is great. So it comes with a king size bed, you've got a really nice area to unpack your luggage. And then in the room, they actually have a really lovely two-person jacuzzi. So if you're looking for a nice couples relaxation, this is certainly one that's gonna help you there. And you can certainly bring up some cocktails from here and enjoy, or either some fruit juices if you like in the morning. You've got a lot of room, as you can see behind me, there's a nice seating area and plenty of space for you to really relax and enjoy. They've got a little seating area, and forgive the bags that are on my table. I'll take you for a quick tour of what they've done to make sure that everything is sanitized and really welcoming so that you know that everything is clean. So when I opened up this nice little cabinet that had the refrigerator, you'll see that there's actually a sticker that says that it's been sanitized. Inside you'll find some nice little treats for you, and then they've also left some nuts at the top. And those get refilled, as well as some waters and some Pringles. And for me, I love Pringles, so that makes me very happy. There's of course, just like other all-inclusive resorts throughout, they've got the little side pantry here so that when they drop off any food to you, or you want to leave your dishes, that they are there. There was also a tag on the door that said that it had been sanitized, just like here on the toilet. You'll also see that there. They've got the more European or Caribbean style where they've got large amounts of water or small amounts depending on what you're doing here. You've got a great shower that has quite a bit of accoutrement. So you've got some rain shower here, you've got another shower here, and then you obviously have some jets, which are great. You've got seats here so you can always relax. They're leaving some really nice little amenities here, so you've got that there. It is just a little bit of a close the door and you've got your sink here. But what's nice about that is that it's almost as if you had double sinks, and I'll show you why. Because when you come here, you have another large area that also has a sink and great space. So it may be, if you're traveling with somebody who is more of the makeup person, somebody who's really got more hair issues from the frizz, or things where you're gonna have a lot on the counter, this would be a perfect spot for that. And then someone who's not gonna have this much space need would use that other bathroom. They're also gonna leave you some extra water, and again, some extra amenities like a shave kit, a dental kit, bath salts that you could put into the jacuzzi. You've got a mending kit and much, much more. One of the other things that is really nice is that they've done a nice job of taking care of everything that you need in the room for your travels. For example, you do have a safe, and then they've also left a hair dryer and a hair iron, which, as you can see from my pictures, I certainly would benefit from using that today. There's ample amount of closet space. They've got a flashlight should you need, ironing board and iron. What I find is that they've done these really nice, lovely columns that just offer a little bit of ambiance to the room. And then you can see my husband outside working and doing some things there on the really great balcony. The other thing about that balcony is it's a lovely hammock that you can use. And I'll take you on a tour outside in just a little bit. But for now, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. I will certainly see you soon, and continue to like and subscribe to the Off to the Keys Travel channel. Thank you, and I'll see you again.